Hey everybody, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to be showing you that how to link Chime to Zelle and whether it is possible or not. So the short answer is going to be straight away no, as you can also head over to official Chime platform. Um, there this article where they says that Chime is not sponsored, endorsed, partnered, or otherwise affiliated with Zelle, and all references to Zelle company and brand are purely informational and no endorsement are implied. So in short, they are trying to uh, tell you that it is not possible to link Chime to your Zelle account. Simply not possible because it's not supported or sponsored, so there is no as such thing to bridge between both of these. So do not waste your time. I hope this video was informative and saved you a ton of time. So have a good day and see you in the next video.